All right, we do have a couple of showers and a few weaker storms moving in off of the lakeshore right now. Ludington and Mason County just seeing that rain after Oceana just clipped it. Not a ton of lightning associated with that one, but there were some wind gusts to about 45 miles per hour. Now along the lakeshore, this main line is set up pretty nicely, but it's moving to the north and east and at about 35-40 miles per hour. It's going to miss parts of Berrien and Van Buren County unless more showers develop south of it, but that'll continue to track and eventually work its way up towards the Grand Rapids area. So today, this is through this evening. I'd say the threat will end just after 10 o'clock, maybe 11 o'clock. Marginal risk. It's a 1 out of 5. It's the lowest on the scale, but it is still a threat for severe weather. And the slight risk is focused over towards Milwaukee and Chicago, where they have seen a few severe thunderstorms here today. Thankfully, no tornado warnings within that. Tonight, there is no tornado threat. We are tracking wind and hail being the main focus for any storms. Grand Rapids right now, though, dealing with cloud cover that's continuing to increase. With that, it's kind of suppressed temperatures a few degrees now. In Ravenna, more of the same with the clouds. This looks to the north and west. You can see a little darker skies there off towards what is Oceana and Newaygo County. Grand Rapids at 79, Muskegon reached up to 80, 84 in Allegan, and a warm 86 in Benton Harbor and Kalamazoo here. So there is definitely a suppressing humidity with this as well. Dew points in the 60s pretty much everywhere. The Kalamazoo area and far southwest Michigan has dew points back in the 50s. So the warm front is pushing up that moisture right along I-96 as it stands right now. That'll lead to the greatest threat for severe storms in the first wave between about 5, 6, 7 o'clock north of 96 and then about 8, 9 o'clock everywhere else. Winds right now strongest down near I-94 with wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour and sustained 10 to 20. And everywhere else just sitting at a 5 to 10 mile per hour wind. So here's that localized low pressure with this first wave. Again, that's tracking to the north and east. We're going to clip the line of it, though, this evening. Again, about 8 o'clock, we could see everywhere in West Michigan. Catch a scattered shower or thunderstorm here. Partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight, and then Tuesday we are trending dry during the day as the rain stays to the north and west. That leads to a lot of instability and the potential for a line of showers and storms to move through just after what could be midnight Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. Before Wednesday, we finally trend dry. So here's the severe weather threat for tomorrow evening. Everywhere in West Michigan is in the slight risk. That's that 2 out of 5 scale. And they have updated Iowa and Illinois into the moderate risk, which is a 4 out of 5. They're looking at extensive hail, wind, and tornado threat there, while our tornado threat and hail threat are really along and west of US 131. The wind is still the big focus for storms on Tuesday. High of 85, so a lot of heat and humidity, and we're back to the low 70s Wednesday with windy conditions as the storms exit early in the day.